Welcome to the quiz show. Our topic for round number 1 is Universal Values and Development of Moral Character. Question number 1. Who is the creator of theory of basic human values? A. Plato, B. Shalon Swords, C. Aristotle, or D. John Billy Surian? And the correct answer is letter B, Shalon Swords, and he is also a psychologist. Question number 2. It signifies the existence of virtues a person possesses. A. Value, B. Morality, C. Moral character, or D. Power. And the correct answer is C. Moral character. Moral character, in other words, means that you are a good person and good citizen with a sound moral compass if you possess a moral character.